Hello students, in this video we will discuss about how many number of tangents we can draw from an external point to a circle to given circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O and P is a point which is outside from this circle. Now our concept is how many number of tangents from an external point to a given circle drawn. Then, as you see here, from this point, you can draw a tangent like this. Suppose this is the PA. A is the common point of this tangent and circle, and another tangent you can draw like this, named PB. And if you want to draw another tangent from this external point to this circle, this is impossible. That means number of tangents from an external point to a circle, given circle drawn, is 2. That means maximum number of tangents can drawn from an external point to a circle is 2. Now we will discuss the position of a point with respect to a circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O and this is a point P. If we join OP, then this OP line divide the circle at R. Since position of point will be outside of circle if OP means distance of that point from the center of circle is greater than OR means radius. If OP is greater than OR, then position of that point will be outside of the circle. Second, this is the first situation, and in the second, suppose this point or P dash point on this circle and join OP dash. P dash means position of point P dash will be on the circle if OP dash, which is the distance of point P dash from the center of circle, is equal to radius of circle. Now third point is, if suppose Q point Q and join OQ, position of Q point is inside a circle if OQ, that means distance of point from the center of circle, is less than radius of circle. Radius of circle. Then position of that point will be inside the circle. In general, we can say that if the position distance of given point from the center of circle is greater than radius of circle, then that point will be outside of the circle. If distance of that point is equal to the radius of that circle, then that point lie on the surface of circle. And if distance of given point is less than the radius of its circle, then that point lie inside the circle. Now, one small topic. If we draw two tangents on the end of diameter, suppose AOB is a diameter and two tangents PQ and RS drawn at the end of this diameter, then PQ parallel to RS. That means both tangents will be parallel, and we can say that maximum two tangents can be drawn parallel on any circle. Now in the next video, we will discuss another theorem related to this chapter.